G'day everyone. I'm not sure if I'm going to make this into a separate video or if I'm going to stick it onto the previous one. Either way, I've got some resin left and I just want to use it up. So I've got two sad looking coasters that I've done before and they need a bit of a pickup. So I'm just going to get some different kind of colors for me, but I do love earth colors, so I'm going to have a little bit of this. Let me just do this first, pour them in here. I've got to hurry because I'm kind of running out of might actually use that one for the gold. And gosh, I don't even know if I want to do it in these colors. Let's try. Oh, bugger it. Okay. Talk me into it. Earthy colours. So I've got a bit of a red brown and an yellow ochre. And I'm going to need some gold. Bugger it. Let's just do it and see what happens. Never know if you don't have a go. That's what I always say. Right. Like I'm saying, this is just... it's just like a reddy brown color, and I think this is a redwood from my matte pigments that I've just mixed with a binder. Much easier to use. They mix really well, you guys. You just have to give them extra. Just stir them up a little bit extra, and then, you know, there's no little bits and pieces in there, nothing. So, trust me, I wouldn't put it in the shop if they weren't good. So, just got to give them a little bit of extra. And then, if you mix them with a binder, if you can get a binder, because I kind of run out, then they work really, really well. And a little bit of this molten gold and stick. Always use a clean stick because you don't want to contaminate and then put it in here and then ruin your paste. Okay, so that's that. Right, stirry. Now that's done. I think I might add a little bit of alcohol in these, but I might not. We'll see. I'm just putting a little bit of clear on these to help movement, and as you can see, I'm rushing a little bit because I've been working with these for, gosh, how long has it been? Over an hour actually, probably about an hour, and they're starting to you know, do their thing. The chemical reaction happens and it's quite warm in the studio, so it starts to set, you know, so I gotta rush a little bit. Alright, where's my alcohol? So this is just isopropyl alcohol. I'm just going to put a little squirt in each cup to loosen it up a little bit. And you know, like when you feel like your cup starts to feel a little bit warm, this is an indication that it's working and it's only gonna get warmer. Okay, so good old puddle pour. I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get these out. And I've got all these gorgeous little drips which I can kind of put on top. Some of this one. This is going to be an earthy color. Wow, this is really bending that way. And some gold. Wow, the gold is really looking like it's getting nice and thick. Okay, I'm going to put gold in between here as well. It's actually quite thick now. Sometimes I actually like working with it like this. Okay, oh, that's going crazy over there. And yeah, just keep going. Actually, might give it a little bit of heat. Give it a movement. Whoa. Settle down, pedal. Okay, so now I'm just going to tilt it a little bit. Going to help it a bit over here. Where did that yellow ochre go? It just totally disappeared underneath this gold. And all these beautiful cells popping up. So I'm just helping it a little bit, like so. How cool is that? That's really cool. I like it. Something about earth colors, you know, that's very elegant. But this one, oh wow, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? All the little cells popping up there? It's really cool. I do want to stretch it, so I'm just going to get another coaster. And there you go. I've got plenty of them that need saving. Trust me. Lots and lots. So I've got all this drippage and stuff and I don't want to waste any. So I just really want to stretch these and see what they do. Can you actually see that one there? Where are we? Yep, you can. That's excellent. Alright, so I just want to stretch this one a little bit and see what happens here. Because that gold is popping up from underneath. It's thick, like you can definitely see that it's thick there. We already know that, so we'll get past that and go this way a little bit maybe. Okay, this is really, really pretty. I like it. Get this one done. Don't want to do too much to this one. Oh my gosh, look at all these cells coming up. But I just want to kind of bring this out a little bit. Don't be scared if your resin starts to thicken. Just means that you have to work fast. And but it really gives you that you know, it's nice and thick, so it's not going to kind of run off. Look at that. What do you think? That is so pretty. That's that really nice red brown. So I've still got some, get a little bit more alcohol in it. It's just giving me extra, a little bit of extra time, which is not a lot at all, but I've got lots of this yellow left, yellow ochre, that I want to use. So I just want to heat this up a little bit, get it moving. Whoa, 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 settle down. So I want to go around with this yellow ochre because I've got lots of it. Okay. And then I want to go with all of this right in there. Okay, and some more of this yellow ochre right in there. Oh gosh, that's really thick now, but I love it. and some of this gold right inside the middle, like so. And you can see that gold separating already. This molten gold is amazing. Just really great for these effects that you get, plus the colors just unreal. And I've got lots of drips here which I want to pick up, and they're quite thick, but see how transparent they are? So I want to put that right in the middle and some around the sides. Pick up as much. Oh, I've got some of that pink, put them on the sides. That's that metallic that I worked on earlier, so I've still got it on here. Pick up everything that you've got anywhere. A little bit of this tiny little bit of this holographic glitter, which I've already got some in the middle there. Wow, this is really different. And some more of this one. There's that glitter everywhere. I mean, all of these colors that are coming, that are kind of dripping from here. Oh yes, I've got some here. Look at that. That's quite a lot, which is awesome. Put it on here. So this holographic glitter, I do have it in the store. It's quite amazing. It's like a rainbow of colors. You got every color on there, and I don't want to waste any of it, so I'm picking up everything and putting it on there. Some over here, and I'm gonna heat this up a little bit. Wow, that's really cool. I'll just clean my hands a little bit and go for it. Alrighty, really like that, just as it is. I'm gonna leave it, and these ones I'm gonna leave them too. Right, so that's that. I will bring you down and show you what I've got so far so that you can see. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Okay, so here are the coasters. They turned out really cool. Yeah, those amazing cells created by that gold, and the matte brown, and over here is where, so it's coming up a really bright pink, but it's not. This is just the, let me just try and catch it. That's just that glitter, the holographic, see? Oh yeah, I can catch it now. So you can see all kinds of different colors. That was only a tiny little bit that I added, so how cool is that? Should be some in the middle here as well. So there you have it. Fun. It's been real fun doing this, so I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you soon in another video. Bye for now.